In this video, I wanted to showcase a project that I've been working on called Framework. The purpose of this project is to show the underlying structural components of an architectural project through the click of a button, as you can see. With the design that I have here of the house, I made it so that the walls were structurally, and even the roof were structurally insulated panels. And although I'm pressing 1 to show the structural components, I decided to leave the SIP panels out of it so that you get a better idea of the effect that I was trying to create. So this is done in Stingray, which is a game engine that Autodesk acquired. It's actually now called 3ds Max Interactive, and it comes with 3ds Max. And I first started off with Revit, Revit architectural and structural file, and I brought it into Stingray, and I have both of these designs working with one another, which I thought was pretty neat and a practical application that could be done in firms today that have both an architectural and structural division, or even with firms if they decide to work together and create something like this so that they can communicate it easier and show stakeholders, whether it be internal or external, what they're really trying to do with each of their designs and how like the architectural components are going to be held up. So yeah, this is a model in Stingray. I'm pressing space to jump and just I don't know if I went through the whole area or not, but you get the point. The main purpose is just to show that like have it more dynamic, less static, and to have better communication amongst one another when you're trying to show what the purpose of like members are specifically. So I'll be showing you guys my Revit model as well. Exiting out of here. This is my Revit model. For the most part, it's very similar. I brought it in and all the materials stayed. Some staining and some tints that you guys do in Revit. You can see, I did the staining for the exterior wood here, but it didn't coordinate nicely when I tried to do the interoperability with interactive, but it's okay. Next time you just have to do the material ahead of time and yeah, create it in Photoshop and then bring it in. I'll also show you guys how it looks like when you export it and you make it into an executable file. So here it is, and you can see it works basically the same way, but this just packages it up nicely and you can give it to a client. Here's my main menu, so you can see the instructions I have here, title and everything. Start. It works the exact same way. Right now I'm actually in omniscient view, so I can fly around and look at my model like that. Right, I can still press 1 and go through it. But if you guys are ever planning on doing something similar like this, and if you need any help or direction, let me know. I'll have my email in the description. I know it would have helped me a lot if I had someone there trying, like, or that could guide me through some of the important and key steps. It definitely would have saved me a lot of time. Thanks for watching, and